When you come across a photo, several questions could come across your mind. Questions like, what's happening in the photo? What's the name of the object in the photo? Where was it taken? Who took the photograph? And several other questions. Let's say you stumble across this photograph and you're wondering what this is, whether it's an animal, what kind of animal is it, what's the name, where in the world can it be found? How do you even begin your search when you don't even know the name of the object in question? That's when you will realize that it's truly not funny searching when you don't have a keyword. In this video, I will show you how to do a reverse image search, just in case you find yourself in such a situation. Before we proceed, if you are new to this channel or haven't subscribed yet, ensure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell button besides it in order to get notified anytime I upload a new video. So let's proceed. When I first came across this image, I was curious to find out what this is, whether it's a living creature or just an amazing work of art. So I did a reverse image search using Google image search, and I found out it's a species of lizard called Armadillo Geddle. Reverse image search comes handy when carrying out OSINT. Let's say you came across this guy's photo and you're wondering why he is smiling or what's going on where the photo was taken, or you want to know who he is. Well, who doesn't know who this guy is? Let's head over to Google Images and upload the image or paste a link to the image. We've got so many search results, so many visually similar images. Let's see what's here. A YouTube video. Whoa. We now know what's happening when the photograph was taken, why he was smiling that way. Well, if you did not know who he is, now you know. Let me show you another great tool you could use to perform reverse image search. A tool called TinEye. You can use this tool to search for the places a particular image appears online. You could upload photos of yourself to find out all the places you appear online. Let's upload an image to see how this works. These are search results. Let's visit some of the links. Interesting. The last tool I'm going to introduce to you is a tool called PimEyes. PimEyes is pretty cool, but just that it's not totally free to use. It has some premium features, which means you have to pay in order to use some features. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Hitting the like button will help make this video discoverable by more viewers who would be interested in the kind of content I create. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you how to find pages websites are hiding from search engines like Google, Bing and Yahoo. If you are new to this channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button. I upload some really cool ethical hacking videos every week on this channel. In order to get notified anytime I upload new content, just hit the notification bell button. Most websites restrict search engines from indexing some of their pages due to various reasons. One of the reasons could be that the web page contains member-only contents. This means that only authenticated users should have access to such content. Another reason could be that the web page or directory contains sensitive content or resources that should only be used internally by the website. So imagine search engines being able to crawl through such pages and directories. That would be a complete disaster. So the way websites are able to restrict search engines from crawling some of their pages is through a file called robots.txt. The robots.txt file, also known as the robots exclusion protocol, is a text file that tells search engines which pages on a website to crawl or not to crawl. Before a search engine visits a target, it will check the robots.txt for instructions. Robots.txt is stored in the root directory of a domain. It is the first document that crawlers open when visiting a website. The robots.txt is very useful to hackers as it makes it easy for a hacker to know pages and directories a website really care about and don't want search engines to crawl through. So let's see how to locate a robots.txt file on a website. Let's make use of a website called examples.com for this lesson. To view the robots.txt file on examples.com, just add a slash robots.txt at the end of the domain name. Examples.com is preventing search engines from indexing some sensitive pages like the WP admin and login using the robots disallow command. The text user agent asterisk is referring to all search engines, bots, web spiders, and crawlers. So this means that they all have to follow these instructions. Did you notice the text allow above sitemap? That's an instruction that tells search engines that they are free to crawl through that particular page or directory. Let's find the robot.txt file of another website. Let's say tesla.com. Whoa guys, it seems tesla.com has a lot in their robots.txt file. So many allows and some few disallows. So guys, if you found this video helpful, do me a favor by hitting the like button and also share with others. Check out my next video where I will be showing you how to hack using Google. Google isn't just a search engine, but also a powerful tool hackers use for hacking. At the end of this video, you will be able to find emails and passwords, CCTV cameras, card details, subdomains, and a whole lot using Google. Hey, if you're new to this channel and haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you do that right now. I upload some really cool ethical hacking videos every week on this channel. In order to get notified anytime I upload new content, just hit the notification bell button. All you need to carry out a Google Doc is Google and knowledge of the appropriate search syntax. So let's start with the basics. Let's search for Tesla Model X on Google without any advanced search parameters. If you notice carefully, you will find other websites in the search results. How about if we want to narrow the search result to only tesla.com? This is the moment where we'll have to introduce some search parameters. So we'll say site tesla.com in URL model X. Notice the search results are all from tesla.com now. Interesting, right? Let's search for subdomains on tesla.com. We'll say site tesla.com -ww. Cool, right? Okay, let's get into some really cool stuff right now. Let's search for passwords in configuration files and logs. To search for passwords in configuration files, we'll say file type env db password. Interesting. Okay, so for passwords in log files, we are going to use this search syntax. All in text, colon password, file types, colon log. Let's say we only want to see logs after a certain year, 2019 for instance. Then we add after column 2019 to our search query. Search results before 2019 won't be displayed. Let's search for open FTP servers. To do that, we'll input in title index of in URL FTP after 2020 in the search box. For emails, we will use file type column XLS in URL email.xls. This will display emails in spreadsheet files. Let's say we want only gmail.com emails and password. We will input file type column txt in text column at gmail.com in text at password. How about if we want not only Gmail email addresses, but also Yahoo Mail or Hotmail addresses as well? Then we'll add them to our search queries, or at yahoo.com or at hotmail.com in text password. Let's view some public webcams and CCTVs. Entitle webcam XP5. Isn't this cool? Or we say in URL top.htm, in URL current time. Cool. Wow, cool. You can possibly search for anything on Google, even card details. Let's search for card details. Site wastebin.com /CVV. You can search the Google hacking database to find more docking commands. Hello guys, in this video you'll be learning how to discover active domains using HTTP probe created by Tom Hodgson. He is also known as Tom Nom Nom, a security researcher and an open source toolmaker. Before we proceed, if you're new to this channel or haven't subscribed yet, ensure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell button besides it in order to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Let's say you found a list of subdomains using a tool like Sublister. You realize that when you try visiting some of these domains you found, they tend to be inactive and do not resolve. Imagine you trying to discover active domains from a huge list of domains. It's very impractical to do it manually, which is why I made this video to show you how to discover active subdomains automatically. Let's begin by installing the tool we'll be using for this. Here is the tool. You'll find the link in the video description below. Copy, open up your terminal, type git clone and paste the link to download the tool. This tool is built using Golang. To run this tool, you need to have Golang installed. To install Golang, simply type sudo apt-get install Golang. Wait for it to finish downloading and installing, and that's it. I already have Golang installed. Navigate to the repository we cloned earlier on using the cd command, cd http probe. Let's compile the tool. We'll say go build main.go. Let's rename main to HTTP probe. I have a list of subdomains in a file called domain.txt. So I'll use this command to scan for active subdomains. If you use this command and it did not work for you, then you have to set the path for this tool. You can set the concurrency level to whatever number you like, but I will recommend setting smaller numbers for better results. Let's set the concurrency level to 100 and see the result. Okay, let's do 50. Interesting. We got better results with 50 even though it's a little bit slower than 100. Let's do 20. Great, that's what I'm talking about. Smaller numbers give better results even though it's slower. Go with whichever works for you. By default, HTTP probe checks for HTTP on port 80 and HTTPS on port 443, but you can choose to probe other specific ports by adding additional probes using the -p flag. Sometimes you just want to check for only HTTPS and not HTTP. You can do that with the -prefer HTTPS flag. If you found this video very helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and also the subscribe button. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.